Welcome to another episode of Crypto Miner, guys. Today we will be analyzing, of course, what is happening regarding the Bitcoin price right here, right now. We are going to be checking out what is happening in the shorter period of time, and of course, what we are expecting, what is the next trade area we should actually watch regarding the technical analysis, of course. We are going to be actually going as well to the Ethereum price, checking a little bit what is going on right there. And of course, don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell button for all notifications so you get this very nice fresh content we are sharing every time. Going directly to the Bitcoin price, of course, in the chart, we can figure out, guys, that we have very nice momentum right now. We have very nice things watching in the charts. What I'm checking out at this point is, of course, the bullish divergence, of course, right here, falling wedge, falling wedge right here. As far as you see in the shorter time frame, of course, we are in a daily time frame. We see like this bullish divergence, and of course, the bullish trajectory of this very nice stochastic RSI. But I'm saying to you guys that we could see another reject right here on the 20 level at this point in the stochastic RSI, and of course a further dump towards the downside. You see here the red dot as well. The money flow is turning to the red for one more time on the market cipher indicator. You can see here that things are not looking so good in case this is taking the decision to go all the way towards the downside. Now right here we have this retracing back to this support level. We jumped over to the 40,358 after we had this dump this morning we saw earlier, and we are going directly to the 4-hour chart. As far as you can see right here, this is a falling wedge, and of course we could see like another leg towards the upper side. This insane pump that we had before. We mentioned it yesterday night to the live video with Odi together. So you see, guys, that as far as we have this area right here, this was the major area that I was watching before, and I actually tweeted earlier that we could have another rejection right here. We had the kind of rejection at this candlestick, but then later on we broke towards the upper side, and that's a really good bullish, I would say. And what we could have, of course, is the fact that we could see another crazy like move and leg towards the upper side, because this is a falling wedge. This is actually a bullish pattern playing out, but you see also like the bullish divergence coming in right now. And then what I was about to say, and of course speak about, is of course this is the resistance line over here. As far as you see, I'm just pulling out, and we have like the first break towards the upper side. So this tells us a little bit earlier actually that we could have another leg towards the upper side, maybe come and get resisted over the 40,900 right here. This could be of course a scenario that could play right now. By watching also the chart on the 4-hour, we see like a very nice bullish environment that comes in right now. And of course this is a leap of faith. This is a fake out scenario that we had actually once more. And yes, of course, the level of the 42,700, the 43,800, 700, this is the area that I'm watching right now in case we will see like the next sell-off and the next price retrace. So this can actually dump even further to the 37,000. I wouldn't even be surprised, because as far as you see, guys, even if we are gonna retrace right now and of course pull towards the downside, we are still in a falling wedge, and we could have like a bullish price action come approximately to this area, and of course another leg towards the downside even further, because we mentioned it also yesterday night. And you can see like, guys, on the weekly chart, on the market cipher, actually I'm going to be also showing you what is happening right here. We have this insane, for first time in the history of Bitcoin, this red diamond that is literally horrible on the weekly chart. I don't know, I have no words of what to say regarding that. We should see like another bullish move towards the upper side, and of course breaking everything, crossing over the 50,000. That's something that I can't say that I see that as a possible scenario. What I'm saying, and what is very possible, is that we could see a retrace on the weekly chart. We could see like even the prices coming on the 44,005, and of course it retraced what's the downside, and yes, this would be like the bear flag scenario, and of course take it all the way to what's the downside, of course finding the 37,000 later on the 30k, and I don't even want to speak about what is coming later on in case this is happening, of course. Now let's go directly to the Ethereum chart to see what is happening right here. We have like a little bit more bullish, I would say, for the Ethereum price, and things are looking great, because if we see a kind of consolidation for the Bitcoin price right now, we would see like very nice things happening for the Ethereum price. We see here like the bearish scenario, and of course the resistance line that is hitting every time that we are coming over that, but also at this point we see that the bullish divergence coming in, and now we should see another kind of leg towards the upper side, so we can break finally this resistance line. And this is actually where I'm watching the next major move, so we can see a very nice leg towards the upper side. Maybe we'll reach the 4,000. I don't know about this. Well, the money flow, it's still carving on the red right now, and the VWAPs are also going lower within this week. Let's go a little bit to the daily chart to figure out what we have right there. So as far as you can see, we have like a very nice support line right here, of course, on the daily. We could easily come down to the 2,500, and it's actually normal if this is decided by the price of course Ethereum. I don't know what the fundamental side has to say regarding that, but of course I would be very nice and open to see, guys, if you are commenting something regarding the Bitcoin, the Ethereum price, regarding the fundamental side. And of course what I would like to see is, and what I'm going to see actually, is a break towards the upper side or to the downside before June, I would say. So this is what I'm watching at this point. At this moment we see like the 3,009 for the Ethereum price. I actually said it many times, and I'm pretty much accumulating some Ethereum and Bitcoin this period of time. I believe that Bitcoin under 40,000 is pretty much a good price to buy in case you are actually looking forward. So could we have another leg towards the upper side? Yes, of course we could have, and this is the most bullish scenario I would say right now, because also on the 4-hour, on the 15-minute time frame right now, we could have like another leg towards the upper side, revisit maybe this area to the 0.618 and the 3,164, and this is what I'm watching at this point. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all notifications, and of course see you in the next one of Crypto Miner. Bye bye.